yellow color, blue color, red color, black color, green color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use yellow color. A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, now you draw B and use blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now you draw C and use red color. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now you draw D, the alphabets of D, and use black color. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now you draw E, the alphabets of E, and use green color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use yellow ochre color. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-W, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now you draw shapes. And first you draw square and use yellow color. Square, the shape of square. Kids, now you draw circle, the shape of circle, and use blue color. Blue color. The shape of circle. Kids, now you draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use red color. Kids, now you draw heart, the shape of heart, and use black color. Kids, lastly draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use green color. Green color. The shape of Easter.
Silver color, blue color, dark pink color, orange color. Kids, the next one is yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, light green color, brown color, light pink color, white color. Kids, the next one is black color, exactly, red color, and the last one is purple color. So kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, the next one is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And the next one is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And the last one is 30. Now we're writing numbers 1 to 30. Baby blue color, pale pink color, forest green color, and the next one is yellow color, black color, pale blue light color, mint blue color, Persian blue color, emerald green color, cool gray color, and the last one is cream color. So kids, now we're writing numbers. First we're using the color of black, and now we draw and writing the number of 1, and the next one is 2, TW or true, the next one is 3, and the next one is 4, FOUR, 4. So kids, now we're using the color of cream color, 5, FIVE, 5, the next one is 6, the number of 6, and the next one is 7, 8, the next one is 9, NINE, 9, the next one is 10, TEN, 10. Now you're using the color of baby blue, the number of 11, ELEVEN, 11, 12, TWELVE, 12, and the next one is 13, the number of 13, the next one is 14, 15. Now we're writing the number of 15. Kids, the next one is 16, the number of 16. Subscribe to our channel. We are again using the color of black, 17, and the next one is 18, the number of 18. Kids, the next one is 19, the number of 19. The next one is 20, the next one is 21. Now we draw and writing the number of 22, 23, exactly, and the next one is 24. Kids, the next one is 25. Now we're using the color of mint blue color. Now we're using the color of mint blue, 25. And the next one is 26, 27, 28. Kids, the next one is 29. And the last one is 30, the number of 30. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.
Yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, red color, and black color. So kids, now you draw Easter and use yellow color. Easter, the shape of Easter. Kids, now you draw pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use blue color. Kids, now you draw a square, the shape of a square, and use yellow ochre color. Kids, now you draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use green color. green color. It's now you draw circle, the shape of circle, and use red color. Red color. It's now you draw trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid, and use black color. Black color. So kids, today draw star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.